Hi everybody, welcome back. In this video, we are going to talk about a new adapter which is called Salesforce REST Adapter, which is introduced recently with version 24.02. Let us discuss why this Salesforce REST Adapter has been released, what are the capabilities, what are the things that has been introduced in the Salesforce REST Adapter. We will discuss about Salesforce REST Adapter, Salesforce REST Adapter capabilities, and what is the security policy on Salesforce REST Adapter. The Salesforce REST Adapter is introduced recently with version 24.02, and it becomes one of the out-of-the-box adapter that can help us to connect to Oracle CRM application with Oracle integration seamlessly. We can configure the REST Salesforce REST Adapter as a trigger or invoke connection in an integration in Oracle integration. As you might be knowing, Oracle also have a Salesforce dedicated adapter since long. Then what is the purpose of releasing the Salesforce REST adapter? So the Salesforce, the current Salesforce adapter that is there with OIC is using SOAP APIs under the cover for various operations such as CRUD operation, SOQL, SOSL operations. But for few of the operation, it utilizes REST APIs under the hood, such as bulk API support, where SOAP APIs were not available. So as you know, the REST APIs are highly adopted these days. The Salesforce may announce, but they have not announced yet the deprecation or retirement of SOAP APIs, and hence there is a need to use REST APIs. That is the main reason of releasing this Salesforce REST adapter, so that you can use all the new features of Salesforce with the help of that adapter. As of now, there is also no news to deprecate the Salesforce adapter. You can continue to use the Salesforce adapter, and Oracle will not have any plan unless Salesforce announces for the deprecation of SOAP APIs. And Oracle also recommends to use Salesforce REST adapter for all your new integrations, and there is no need to migrate all your Salesforce related integrations with the Salesforce REST adapter. So Oracle will continue to support and enhance the current Salesforce adapter as and when required, and customers can use both the adapters simultaneously. The Salesforce adapter that we have will remain supported as long as Salesforce keeps supporting SOAP APIs. All right. So what are the capabilities that Salesforce REST adapter provides? It is available with both trigger as well as invoke. So when you use Salesforce REST adapter as a trigger, you can subscribe to the platform event published on salesforce.com, as well as you subscribe to the changes data events published on salesforce.com. As an invoke, it allows you to perform, create, update, upset, and delete operation in all the standards, recommended, or custom business objects. You can also execute your SOQL and SOSL queries. You can also retrieve query operations across all the business objects that Salesforce would have. It supports core or utility operations such as get user info, get deleted, get updated, approval process, and send email. And it also allows you to call any APAC services. What are the security policies that you have to use with the adapter? So one security policy is OAuth 2.0 client credentials, and second is authorization code credentials. And Salesforce REST adapter is not used with weak policies such as basic and resource owner. And this is one of the major advantages of using Salesforce REST adapter. That's all about the Salesforce REST adapter, guys. I hope you find this useful. Thank you. Bye.